just here breaking some almonds that I picked up and put them to dry. They fall off the tree. They ripen fall off the tree and I pick them up and put them to dry. And now I'm breaking them and putting them in a cup, and eventually we heat them. See, they're nice and dry. Yep, just like I remember when I was a kid. Yep, that's the way to do it. Yeah, this one is no good. First bad one. I've done 6, 7 already. First bad one. Yeah, you just have to break them a certain way. You hit them along the joint, where the side, not on the flat side, but on the, like you see. I don't know, it's not too obvious, but there's a slant slope side here. Don't hit them flat, you have to hit them on that slope side, and it breaks nice. And if you hit them on the flat side, you'll crush the almond. Hit them on the slope side, you see the almond come out nice. Nice like that. Yeah, quite a few here, but I'm just having a relaxed evening, Sunday evening. Decided to take it easy and bake some almond. There you go. Well, I'll just continue to do that.